Hi dear students, welcome back to the session. In this class, let me explain about significant figures in the measurement. Whenever you are measuring any physical quantity, we are focusing on accuracy and precision of the measurement of a physical quantity. Always the physical quantity should be measured to have high accuracy and high precision. That is the expectation of what? Any measurement. Then what are significant figures in your measurement? What are significant figures? Significant figures are number of meaningful digits in your measurement. Whatever the physical quantities you measure, the number of meaningful digits in your measurement will call it as a significant figures. And one more important thing is the significant figures are nothing but the number of digits in your measurement up to which you are guaranteed about what? Accuracy and precision of what? The measurement. Up to how many digits or how many digits, up to how many digits you are guaranteed about what? Accuracy as well as precision of the measurement, and those number of digits will call it as a what? Significant figures. How many significant figures you are taking in your measurement? It's all depends on up to how many digits you are guaranteed about what? Accuracy and precision of what? The measurement. In general, the number of meaningful digits in your measurement will call it as a significant figures. Say for example, you are measuring the length with the help of what? A scale. When you are measuring a length with the help of the scale, definitely what it is, imagine that the length of a given object, what you measure with the help of the scale is what? 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter. It may not be exactly 4.2. Sometimes it may be what? 4.15 centimeter, or it may be what? The 4.23 centimeter. Most probably what? The measurement may be 4.1 centimeter or 4.3 centimeter. Possibilities are there. So when you are measuring, of course you are reporting the answer as 4.2 centimeter. The true measurement may not be exactly 4.2 centimeter. It may be what? 4.1 centimeter, or it may be 4.3 centimeter, or it may be 4.15 centimeter. Possibilities are there. But every time what 4 we have, we are 100% guarantee about what? Its accuracy. We are guaranteed about its accuracy. Therefore, it is called a reliable digit. This is called a reliable digit in the measurement. This is called a reliable digit in the measurement. And there may be fluctuation in what? The next digit. There are possibilities are there. Sometimes it is not exactly equals to 2. Therefore, it is called uncertain digit. This is called what? It is uncertain digit in your measurement. So 4 is called reliable digit and 2 is called what? Uncertain digit. So what are significant figures here? Significant figures is number of reliable digits plus uncertain digit. The total number of reliable digit plus uncertain digit in your measurement will call it as a significant figure. Okay. In a general, many way we can give the definition for what a significant figure. The simple definition for what a significant figure is number of meaningful digits in your measurement will call it as a significant figures. In the next step, let me explain how you are going to determine number of significant figures in given measurement. How you are going to identify how many number of significant figures are there in what given measurement. To identify the number of significant figures, we have to follow some rules. Based on these rules, we are going to identify number of significant figures in a given measurement. Given measurement ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು significant figures ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have to follow these rules to identify the number of what significant figures. Let us discuss one by one. What is first one? All non-zero digits are significant. In your measurement, whatever the non-zero digits are there, all non-zero digits are taken as what significant, irrespective of their position. Non-zero digits na ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ನಾವು significant ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. Best example, I have one measurement here. Imagine that I have a number called 4186. If I ask how many number of significant figures, how many number of significant figures? All non-zero digits are significant. 4186, all four are what? Non-zero digits. Therefore, all are significant. If I ask how many number of significant figures are there, then your answer is the number of significant figures is 4. Concentrate on the first rule to identify the significant figure. What is the first rule? All non-zero digits are significant. Here all are non-zero. 4186 all are non-zero. Therefore all are taken as what? Significant. How many number of significant figures we have? There are 4 significant figures in this number. I will take one more example here. Second example. The measurement is like this, 7.8162. If I ask how many significant figures here, as I said you, all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. Whatever the digits we have, all are non-zero. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು zero ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ non-zero ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. Therefore all are significant here. How many digits I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore how many number of significant figures here? The total number of significant figures is what? The 5. I will take one more example. Say for example 97.469. How many significant figures we have here? Here also the number of significant figures is how many number of significant figures? All are non-zero here. All non-zero digits are what? Significant. Therefore how many number of significant figures here? The number of significant figures is of course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of significant figures is 5 here. So this is the first rule to identify the number of significant figures in a given number or given measurement. So let me go for the second rule. What is the second rule here? Concentrate on the second rule. Zeros between any two non-zero digits are significant. If zeros are existing between any two non-zero digits, of course all non-zero digits are significant. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ zeros ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? If number of zeros are existing between any two non-zero digits and all those zeros are also taken as what? Significant. Best example, I will take 407. Here 0 is existing between two non-zero digits. ಎರಡು non-zero digit ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಜೀರೋಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ zeros ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್. ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಜೀರೋ ಇದ್ದು ಆ ಜೀರೋ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ non-zero digits ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಜೀರೋ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here 0 is existing between 4 and 7. What are 4 and 7? 4 and 7 are what? Non-zero digits. Therefore, whatever the zeros which are existing between two non-zero digits are also significant. Is 0 is significant. 4 is significant. Why 4 is significant? All non-zero digits are significant. 7 is also significant. Why that 0 is also significant? Because 0 is existing between what? Two non-zero digits. Adike all three are significant here. How many number of significant figures here? 3. Okay. Second, let me take one second example here. Suppose the measurement is like this, 37.0009. How many number of significant figures? Of course, look at these zeros. These zeros, 3 zeros are existing between what? 2 non-zero digits. 7 is non-zero here. 9 is non-zero here. ಜೀರೋಗಳು non-zero digit ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಜೀರೋಗಳನ್ನ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. These are the zeros which are existing between 7 and 9, and 7 and 9 is what? 7 and 9 is non-zero digits. Therefore, according to the second rule, zeros between any two non-zero digits are what? Significant. Therefore, how many significant figures here? These 3 zeros are significant, and all non-zero digits are already significant. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of significant figures are what? 6 here. Total number of significant figures is 6. Suppose, if I take one more example. Here, 0.00079006. Okay. Only zero between non-zero digits is taken to be significant. Zero non-zero digit madhya idre matra significant. These zeros are not existing between any two non-zero digits. Therefore, these are not significant. This zero is existing between 9 and 6. That is, 0 is existing between two non-zero digits. Therefore, it is significant. How many number of significant figures now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 significant figures are existing. Clear second point? Zeros between any two non-zero digits are significant. Okay? One ವೇಳೆ zeros ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ zeros ನ significant figures ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವು non-zero digits ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ zeros ನ ನಾವು significant figures ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ ನಾವು 4070900009. Here all zeros are taken as what? Significant. Why? Because all zeros, you look at first zero existing between two non-zero digit, second zero existing between two non-zero digit, these 3 zeros existing between what? Two non-zero digits. Therefore, all zeros are significant figures here. If I ask how many number of significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 significant figures are there in this measurement. Okay. Second point clear. Go to the third point. What is the third point? Leading zeros. Which type of zeros are called leading zeros? Zeros left of the number. ನಂಬರ್ನ ಎಡಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಜೀರೋಸಿಗೆ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್, zeros to left of the number are not significant. Which type of zeros are not significant? If any zeros are existing in the left side of a number, ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ದ ಎಡಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀರೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್. Those all zeros are non-significant. Let me take one example. 009074. Okay. These two zeros are called which zeros? They are called leading zeros. Why they are called leading zeros? Zeros to the left of the number. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಇವು. These zeros are called leading zeros. Leading zeros are what? Not significant. You significant Allah. But this zero is significant. Why this zero is significant? This is significant because of second rule. Because this zero is existing between what? Two non-zero numbers here. Therefore, this zero is significant. 974 are significant because they are non-zero digits. According to the first rule, all non-zero digits are significant. According to the second rule, zeros between two non-zeros digits are significant. According to the third rule, zeros to the left side of a number are not significant. ನಂಬರ್ನ ಎಡಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇವೆರಡು ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Then how many number of significant figures now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of significant figures is 4 here. Suppose I have one more example here, 0.0005400009. This is the number. Tell me how many number of significant figures are there. Talk about these 4 zeros and talk about these 3 zeros. Try to find the difference here. What about these 4 zeros? These 4 zeros are called leading zeros. ಇವು 4 zeros ನಾವು leading zeros ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Why these are called leading zeros? Because these are the zeros to the left of the number. ನಂಬರ್ನ ಎಡಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಜೀರೋಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ these 3 zeros are significant. Why they are significant? Because they are existing between what? Two non-zero digits. According to the second rule, these zeros are significant. These zeros are not significant due to the third rule. Okay. Then these 3 zeros are significant. 5, 4, 9 are also significant because they are non-zero. Therefore, these zeros are not significant because they are leading zeros. These zeros are significant because they are existing between what? Two non-zero digits. Then, if you combine 1, 2, 3 rule, definitely how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of significant figures here is 6. Let me take one more example here. 4.0009. What about this number? Of course, here I have 3 zeros, but these 3 zeros are existing between two non-zero digits. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವು significant. ಇವು zeros, these zeros not significant because they are leading zeros. ನಂಬರ್ನ ಎಡಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಜೀರೋಸ್ನ ನಾವೆಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಜೀರೋ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. These 2 zeros are leading zeros, therefore they are not significant. These 3 zeros are existing between two non-zero digits, therefore they are significant. Therefore, how many number of significant figures here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of significant figures is 5. This is what about third rule to identify significant figures. Okay. Next, go to the fourth one. Trailing zeros. Trailing zeros. So trailing zeros are the zeros to the right of a number. Which trailing zeros? 0 to the right of a number with decimal point. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್. ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಟ್ರೈಲಿಂಗ್ zeros ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೀರೋ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್. ಜೀರೋ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್. ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್? ದ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿತ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ significant. All those zeros are taken to be significant. Best example I will tell you, 0.4000. Very interesting. 0.4000. This zero is not significant. Why it is not significant? Because it is leading zero. Zero to the right left of a number, that is called leading zero, and this number is number with a decimal point. Number with a decimal point. If number is with a decimal point, whatever the zeros which are existing right of a number, a number the right side nalli idre avellavunu significant anta tagotತೀವಿ. How many significant? 1, 2, 3 are significant This is non-zero, it is also significant, but this is a zero. Which zero it is? Leading zero, therefore it is not significant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of significant figures are 4 here. I will take one more example. 3.000. Very interesting. 3.000. Tell me. First, it is a number with a decimal point. Yes. First, it is a number with a decimal point. Answer is yes. Second, zeros are existing at a right side of a number. Yes. Which zeros they are? Trailing zeros. All trailing zeros are significant if the number is with a decimal point. ಇವು ಮೂರು ಟ್ರೇಲಿಂಗ್ zeros ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೆ. Therefore, how many number of significant figures here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of significant figures is 4. Suppose instead of 3.000, if it is 3000, 3.000 ಇರೋ ಬದಲಾಗಿ 3000 ಇದ್ರೆ, then what? It's not a number with a decimal point. It's not a number with a decimal point. If number is not with a decimal point, the zeros to the left side of a number as well as zeros to the right side of a number are not significant. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಎಡಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಜೀರೋಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಲಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಜೀರೋಗಳು ಯಾವ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. Therefore, how many significant figures here? These zeros are not significant. These zeros are not significant. Only left with what? 3. Therefore, the number of significant figures is 1. Number of significant figures is 1. Concentrate on these points. Very, very, very important. I will share the notes in the what? Comment box. Comment box nalli the notes share martini so that you can easily understand. First, try to understand the points or rules to estimate what? The number of significant figures. Okay. One more. Numbers with exponents. Numbers with exponents means many times measurements are expressed in terms of what? The powers of 10. If number is expressed in terms of powers of 10, how many number of digits we have before powers of 10? Only those digits are what? Significant. Bari digits ಅಥವಾ numerical value ಅಷ್ಟೇ significant. ಪವರ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 4 into 10 power 4 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Forget about this 10 power 4. Only have to concentrate on numerical value here. What is the numerical value? 4. Therefore, how many number of significant figures? 1. How many number of significant figures here? 1. Therefore, 3.54 into 3.54 into 10 power minus 6. 3.54 into 10 power minus 6. 3.54 into 10 power minus 6. Concentrate only on numerical value. Forget about the power. How many significant figures? 1, 2, 3 significant figures. So this is how you are going to identify the number of significant figures based on what? These 4 rules. Let us give, examples as a homework. You try. Find number of significant figures. Find number of significant figures. Number of significant figures in following numbers. In following numbers. I have list of number. Try to find the number of significant figures. First one 4784. Second one 4009. Third one 0.004091. Fourth 4.0097. Fifth 3.001, 6, 2.0, 7, 4.0810, 4.0810, 8, 0.00910. So concentrate on what all these numbers and try to apply the rules given and find out the number of significant figures. Okay.